Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make crab pots. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need galvanized wire mesh, often 1 inch by 2 inch, and some rebar for the frame. Don't forget hog rings and pliers, plus a good pair of wire cutters. Having everything organized before you start makes the building process much smoother and more enjoyable. This preparation saves time and effort. Now, let's construct the main frame. Begin by cutting your wire mesh to the correct size for the pot's body and top. Next, bend your rebar into the desired shape for the base, typically a circle or square. Use hog rings to firmly attach the bottom edge of your mesh to this rebar frame. This creates a strong foundation for your crab pot. Next, we'll add the crucial entrance tunnels and escape rings. Create funnel-shaped entrances from mesh, ensuring they narrow sufficiently to guide crabs in. Attach these securely to the pot's sides. For conservation, install at least 2 escape rings, often 4 1/4 inches in diameter, allowing smaller crabs to exit. This helps maintain healthy crab populations. Finally, let's complete your crab pot. Securely attach a hinged lid to the top, making sure it latches firmly for easy access. Inside, install a small bait cage to hold your bait, preventing crabs from eating it too quickly. Once assembled, your pot is ready. Just add your favorite bait, like fish heads or chicken, and you're all set for a successful crabbing trip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.